Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use user underscore tab underscore comments data dictionary view to view information about the comments created in all tables that you own, and also how to use user underscore call underscore comments data dictionary view to view all comments created on the columns on all tables that you own. So here we have two practices: add a comment to the emp underscore new table, then query the user underscore tab underscore comments view to view that the comment is present. So here we want to first add a comment on the table using comment statement. Comment on table emp underscore new is, and we can provide here within single quotation mark the comment. This is emp underscore new table, for example. Once finished, run the statement, and here we go. As we can see, comment created. Once we create a comment, we can query user underscore tab underscore comments to view the comment created on emp underscore new table. We can describe user underscore tab underscore comments data dictionary view and click run. So as we can see, we have only 4 columns in user underscore tab underscore comments. We can select the table name and the comments. Select table underscore name comments from user underscore tab underscore comments, where table underscore name equal emp underscore new. Once finished, run the select statement. So as we can see, this is the comment we just created. In the second practice, add a comment to the emp underscore name column in emp underscore new table. Then query user underscore call underscore comments to verify that the comment is present. So first we want to add a comment on the column by using comment on column, then provide the table name, which is emp underscore new, and then the column name, which is emp underscore name is, and then provide your comment. For example, this is emp underscore name column in emp underscore new table. Once finished, run the statement, and here we go. As we can see, comment created. Then we can run a select statement to return the comment we just created. Select table underscore name column underscore name and the comments from user underscore call underscore comments, and here we can filter the output where table underscore name equal emp underscore new. Once finished, run the select statement. Here we go. So as we can see, we have here a comment. This is emp underscore name column in emp underscore new table. So in this practice, we learn how to use user underscore tab underscore comments to view information about the comments created in all tables that you own, and user underscore call underscore comments to view all comments created on the columns on all tables that you own. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.